This is the FlexCoat OEM Lure Drum 2500. The drum is made up of 25 12-inch by 1.5 inch blue foam discs that provide 26 slits that are each over 37 inches in circumference. That provides over 970 linear inches of lure and jig curing capacity. It is powered by a 115 volt AC continuous duty motor that rotates clockwise at 6 RPM with a diecast gearbox that is lubricated and sealed with sintered steel gears. This model is 55 inches long, 22 inches tall, and 12 inches deep. This drum can be used in combination with our lure vises or pin clips to secure nearly any lure. Many jigs can be secured by the hook or lead wire in the slits. Over the years, we've built many of these drums for our OEM customers. Now, we are proud to offer this as a FlexCoat.com exclusive. Check out FlexCoat.com for the latest pricing and information.